Okay, it looks like we're live. So welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing React. Yeah, so not very excited about this. Basically, what I did was I set up a community challenge. And it was like obliterated. On Twitch, of course, on the Twitch. And yeah, so that means I have to do React. Basically, is what it means. Not very excited for it, but I'm gonna just get into it. So I used to use React quite a bit. Before I knew very much about software development and all that stuff. Yeah. So let me just get started. So I'm going to use create React app. Apparently this isn't right or whatever. It installs too many dependencies, but the alternatives install still like 400 dependencies, so whatever. I'm just going to use it. Create React app. I'll just make a to-do application. That's what I'm making today. Because yeah, I don't want to think about it too much. Just a very simple to-do app, and then get it over with, so I can get back to Kano tomorrow. Because I would rather be working on that right now, but I have to do this, so I'm going to do it. Already doing it wrong. Yeah, I know. Not supposed to use create React app or whatever. I don't know the other way to do it, so I'm gonna do it this way. Yeah, so it's gonna take a while though. We'll hit even more. Cancel create React. No, I don't. I'm gonna hit it either way. I don't care. Create VitW. I don't even. Oh, Vite. Yeah, I don't know what Vite is. Like, why is that better? What difference does it make? Is it just more stuff? I've never heard of Vite. I have no idea what it is. Same thing, but faster and better. So it's not. How's it the same thing? I don't understand what that means. This isn't gonna cancel, I guess. Just gonna close out of that. Let's see. PX Vite? Just Vite. Oh, create Vite. Create Vite. Create React app sucks. Well, React in general, JavaScript in general even, kind of sucks, so. Yeah. So what, like, I don't quite understand what this is. Could not determine the executable. Oh, it's create Vite. Was it create Vite app? Yes. Okay. I don't know what's happening. Project name. To do. What is Preact? Use React. So this is like basically just another layer of abstraction on top of React. I'm gonna use JavaScript because I don't know TypeScript and I don't want to. Okay. So now it's gonna actually install. For the project name, SWC. I don't know what that is. So, it's gone now. Whatever. I don't really know a lot about this. I have not used it in quite a while, and I'm not really trying to learn. I'm just trying to get out of the way so I can do other stuff. All right, that was a bit faster. Still 271 packages though. That seems like more than it needs to be. But run down. Okay. So can I open this thing? Okay, Vite plus React. Count is 0. Okay. Yes, that's probably enough to get started. So I'm gonna leave this open, right? So we're supposed to do that, I think. JavaScript. Okay. So I can just modify it, right? Okay. App dot. Wait, which one do I modify? Oh, app.jsx. Okay. Alright. Yeah, so I can just like it has hot reloading or whatever. Right? What is this? Why is it empty? 10 push-ups from last stream? Wait, when? That was never redeemed. Like in the here, I can actually pop it out. Empty tag. Okay. Wait, look. If it'll load. This was the last one, and I did these. I remember that. That was 2 days ago. There's no other one from last stream, so I do not. It's over. Yes, it's over. It's over. Okay. How does this work? Let's see. So that is just like the link. Okay. I don't need any of that. Don't care about that. Okay. Vite plus React. Okay, it did reload. Got an LSP. Kind of. Not like a functioning one. Okay. Redo. Alright, it does reload pretty fast. Thought it was last one. Well, it was not. Make sure to stay up to date on all that. Class name card, yeah, I don't need that. Get rid of that. I'm not gonna do CSS or anything. It's just gonna be like the one that I made in HTMX. Yeah, I know, I'm gonna hate it regardless, so I don't wanna have to set stuff up to make me not hate it more. Just gonna do what I'm gonna do. Care about that. Yeah, I can just get rid of all this basically. Well, the button might be useful. Okay. Yeah. So then, yeah, there's the state. Why React and not Solid or whatever? Well, I don't know what Solid is, and also the thing was for React, so that's why I'm using it. The challenge. That's why I did it, because there was a community challenge. Yeah. I'm not doing it to actually learn anything or to actually figure it out. Just because of the challenge, which I was just doing it for testing the challenge, and now I've learned a lot, and I will not make that same mistake again. Okay, so this is pretty simple. That makes sense. I remember this state stuff. I don't remember exactly how it works, but I can get a good idea from this. So yeah, I need to make like a search thing. So I don't know how to do that. Let's see. So I need like, yeah, a search bar. Well, can you just make an input? Input. With plain.js only for the index page. Yeah, I checked that out. It is very cool. Yeah, I did not look into the source code of it though. Probably do that though, because it does seem interesting. That's what I would do probably. If I was actually making a website to use, I would use probably just vanilla.js. You know, I'm not into web dev, so I won't do that anyway. So this actually we did get an input, so I need to get stuff from it. Do I need this? I can just do it like that, right? Okay. Alright, input. Yes, then what can I remember how to do stuff with it? So is there like, yeah, JSX on input. I don't remember how it works. I don't remember how to use this stuff. Yeah, I probably need a form, right? Form. Yeah, type equals text, so it's just like that. And I'll have the name equals, so this is just the, equal. I might call it that. I don't know. Maybe I can't call it that. I will anyway. Alright, so I'll make a form. Okay. And I don't really want to submit, I just want an enter. Yeah, okay, so that did reload it. Alright, so I need to get that. Submit stuff. I probably don't need the form, though, if it's not the backend, right? Yeah. I'm not a web developer, so I don't remember things. But yeah, I'm not going to set up a backend for it or anything. It's all going to be handled on the front end, the React way. So I'm going to need to read some stuff about it. React, mutable state. So, let's see, this will probably show what I want. So I need to have a state. So I'm going to leave this for reference. The indentation is all wonky, and I don't know why. It is what it is. Okay. So this will be text. Set text. Let's use state, and it'll be that by default. And I want the value of this. I can type it. Value equals text. Text, right? I think that's it. So, yeah. So then I can't input anything because the value is always that. So yeah, I don't think I need the form. I don't think it's necessary, but it might be. So I might have to put it back. So where is the input? On change. Okay, that's what I need. On change equals. So this dot handle change. So this isn't. I wouldn't use this because it's not a class, right? If I understand, so I need just basically on change equals handle change. It's a function, right? Or is it just like that? Then I can make a function, I think. Or is it? Can I make a nested function? I don't know. I remember how to do that, so I'll just copy this one. But there was like weird arrow things. I don't remember how to do those. Function handle change, and then set text to the input. So how do I pass the input? Handle change. Yeah. So e then. I think I just call it e, right? And then e dot. Just copying what this says here. Yeah, set text. Alright, something like that. It's probably gonna tell me if I did stuff wrong. Maybe it won't. Alright, that looks like it worked actually. So then, What if I console.log and I can make sure it works? Console.log text. I don't think semicolons aren't required, but I like to put them anyway. So let's see. Does that work? Alright, that looks like it works. So then I want to detect enter. So how can you... Do I need a form for that? I might need a form for that. And then I want to basically have a list down here. Just like, yeah, just an unordered list, I think is what it's called. Okay. And then there will be list elements that we set. So we need like, just an array of them basically. So how do I, let's see. Not counts. Like list. With that, how do you declare an empty one? Let's see. Do we have any warnings in here? That. Does not look like it. So I think we're good. Like those are there, but whatever. Alright. So, yeah, I don't think I need this anymore. I figured out sort of how it works. So then, okay, so I need to just start by having this equal. I need like list.map or something like that. Script. Java script map. I don't remember how to use it. Map. Yeah, so I want to list.map, and I need to have a function in here. That basically returns those. Can you do that? Function, and it'll take a list, and then it will return, no, we'll take an element. Okay, I'm not sure if this is right, but I'm gonna see, yeah, this needs to be in a code block, something like that, I think. And return, I want to return an element, value equals, not this though, list element, like that. Is that, I don't know if that's how you set it, but it's something like that, and this does not work, so, type equals text. It doesn't like that, so I need to do that a different way. It's fine with that, but yeah, so I need to submit it. Yeah, because I don't append that. So how do I JSX detect enter on what is this? That looks complicated. Candle key down. Wait, can you do that in here? So we have the event. What all does the event have? Event. It's like an object, right? React events. Yeah, so I think I need to check that. So click, that's not what I want. Well, I could just have a button for it. Just have a button. It just says submit. And then on click equals what? Yeah, I can do something like that, and then there we go. And then I can put the code in here before I move it out into a function. So basically, I want to take the current value of text, and append it to the list. So can I just do list, not append, or is it dot push? Not dot push. Dot push, text, and then set text equal to nothing. Like that. Let's see, what does that look like? Submit. Okay. I did something, but this doesn't work, so I might be doing this wrong. map list to render list. All right. It's just an array of strings though. So function data, yeah, return. All right, I could do that. So I think this value doesn't work, but can I do like this? All right. List.map. Okay. All right. So that's just like a lambda function or however it's called. I want the element in it. Well, no, I want the. I'm gonna do React 2 to 7 together. No, don't do it. Yeah, don't subject yourself to that. Vi. So what is I? I don't know what I is. See if I put B in there. Does I need to get rid of this. We'll put it like that. So I think I need to do something like that, maybe. Okay. Missing semicolon. All right. Oh, you need to wrap that in. Ooh, like that. Wait. Okay. I is the index. Oh, okay, I see. Close the parentheses. They're all closed. They all have closing ones. But this has to go in there or something, right? No. Let me see. Extra parentheses. Okay. Missing semicolon. In there or there? Unexpected token. Let me see. Let me see. No, this isn't what I wanted. This one. I'm not supposed to put it like that. Alright, let me start up. So I need mix.net vi like that. Turn up. Okay. Alright, then I can get rid of that. Oops. This is not state. Okay, so I need to update it using state. Okay. So I need to set it like this then. Set this. Okay, let's see. So I'm gonna click. So then I need to set list. Set list to list. Guess I don't know how to do that. I just do it like that, or do I have to set it to itself? That gets rid of that. Why can I not inspect? Hmm. Oh, so then I can't use list.map though? Okay, I see. Dot dot. Okay. So then this needs the right? There we go. Yeah, so can't press enter right now. Have a unique key. Yeah, so I need to say like key equals I. Alright, there we go. And then if I open this up, press enter uniform. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So I'll probably do that. I'm gonna fix this indentation though. Okay, so yeah, I can get rid of the console.log. This probably doesn't even need to be that. It can just be the same thing. That should still work, right? No, maybe not. All right, how do I get that to work? E is not defined. Oh yeah, so I need to make it like that. There we go. Yes. Okay. And I don't need this. I don't need the count. Alright. Okay. So yeah, I'll probably set up a form then. Let's see. Right now I need to look at JSX forms. Because right now it's not gonna work. And also refresh the page and then we lose it. So I don't want to do that. I don't want to have to save it to cache or whatever. I just want it. Maybe I don't need a form. Let's see, is there something else I can do? Yeah, that makes sense. I need to enter to submit. Let me see if there's a way to do it without a form. That's a form. Key down event. So can I unkey down? Okay, so I can do that, right? Unkey down equals E. Key equals a bunch of times, enter. That really the way to do that? Okay. Then I want to do this. So I'll probably separate that into a function. So this will be handle submit, and it needs it doesn't mean anything. Just this. There we go. Alright. Then what to call handle submit that, and that closed down actually, so that's fine. And here, instead of that, I want to also submit. Alright, let's see. It probably doesn't work. Okay, but it does refresh, so I need to get rid of it before. Okay. Yeah, I don't want it to push it up though, so I think I need to use CSS for that, right? I think there is already app.css, so I can modify mine. First of all, I'm gonna put this up a bit. So let's do that. maybe that's not actually better. I can fix that. Okay, that's fine. And the submit button still works. Okay. So now I'm gonna change the CSS. So I'm not good at CSS. I don't remember how it all works. Do I care about any of that? Don't need the dot logo. Yeah, I don't need any of that logo stuff. I don't need this. I don't need that. There's no back card anymore. I need that. So yeah, just have that now. Wait, so where does the button? Is that just the default style of the button? Oh, so. So do that. There we go. Uh-huh. So how do I position it? Oh, I get rid of all this. Does that? Yeah, I don't want that. It's on center. No. That puts in the middle. Okay, that's fine. Alright, I should probably make the text bigger. So I think all of the list elements will have a class. It's a class or ID they name, so I don't remember. Class equals this. Then any dot list, right? Want to do font size, anything. Okay, I want to make it bigger than that though. That's too big though. That's probably pretty good. Okay. I want to make the input as well. Input ID equals ID is for a single one, right? I think that's how it works. Might not be. Yeah, ID the input. No, larger font size as well. Okay. And then I don't want it to change like that, so I need to. How do I do that? Don't want it to be pushed up, so I need it to. Probably I could just put it in its own div, right? And then I can do stuff with the div. Okay. Container. And how do I position it? So I'll put a padding. I want them to be spaced, but that doesn't seem to work. So I'm gonna. Okay, whatever. So set the. To align it to the top of the page. I want it to be at the top. Like a search bar kind of thing. I need to set up a grade thing. Margin auto. I don't know what this does. I know what some of it does. I don't care about the border. Alright, let's see how that looks. So that made that. Didn't do what I wanted though. I wanted to. I don't care about centering that. I should have read what it actually says. That's not what I want. I want to align. Can I use position top or something like that? Float. Bigger face hat. Center vertically. I want it to center vertically and horizontally. Well, no, not center. I want it to be centered horizontally, and then position at the top vertically. Find flex. Find items. Top. It's top, I think. Look, can I look at this? Find. Where am I? Flex box, flex container, flex items. Yeah. Align items. Let's flex start. Really become me learning CSS, I suppose. Doesn't seem to do anything. I'm not doing that right. Maybe container isn't valid. No, because it did other stuff, so. No. Let's see. Bottom of the container at the top. That's what I want. Flex start at the top of the container. Doesn't work. I have to do something to the elements. Do I have to do that? No. Play flex. That's the same thing. Okay. Look at justify content. CSS is confusing. I don't get it. Also building it to nice. I'm using React, right? That's what you said you were doing? Yep. Well, how's it going? You're more familiar with React than I am. Let's add something to the button. So the button is here. It's ID equals button. Then button. Want to make size. How big is that gonna make? That makes it way too big. Whoops, no, I don't want to get rid of that. And then I want to probably too small. You have to both of those. Why are they not the same? It's just a little off. I don't like that. Close enough. Yeah, I don't think that's the right way to do it, but you know what? Padding. Is that not right? There we go. That's more what I want. But just like 5. So just a little space. Maybe 10. Okay. How do I line at the top though? I don't get that. It doesn't work. Align the to top. How to center it? That's not what I want. Alright, let's see. I mean, I think it's the same. I don't think display flex, line item center. Alright, let me do that. And get rid of this. Center. By okay. No. Okay. Center. I don't know what VH is. I've seen that before, but I don't know what it does. Like a measurement thing, but I don't know how it means. So now it's there. It didn't even really center it. Why is it messed up now? What did I do wrong? Width. Oh, class doesn't exist. It's called class name. I forgot. I do have class here. Class name. Okay. I was actually making it work then. I forgot that that was different. Why doesn't it like width? This needs to be like that. No, it doesn't like this. Any of that. Da, da. Why is 100% wrong? That's the root, dude. Maybe I should just do stuff in there. No, because I don't want it to affect. Well, maybe I do. That's not right. Yeah, I don't want this stuff in there. Look at that, because it was there before. I don't remember where it was. Zero auto. That's not what I did. Let me look at this. So, crisis containing. What the width? 100% though. Is that not one? Shoot. It says, big 100%. Pixels does affect it. Maybe I don't need this. Okay, let me start over. Let's see. Hmm. How does that look now? Yeah, so then I want to center the stuff in the set in the middle of it. Display items center. Okay, so that is centered. I want it to be at the top instead of that, so I need this to be let's start. But that is the top, so I need the height to be okay. I'll make the height. That's at the top, so I want it to be just a little bit away from the top, though. That gets rid of those, so that's not right. Yeah, I see why. So maybe I want to position that at the top. So maybe I do that in here. Oops. Play flex. Items. Flex. Start. Then they're side by side, but yeah. Then do I have to that's 2 or something, right? No, maybe not. Let's come to stack. I want them to be stacked. That's not what I meant. To stay not side by side. I don't know how to sort of say it. I don't want them to be next to each other. I'm using that, so maybe it's not gonna work. Can I do that? Play play. Fine. I don't accept it. Fine. Okay. Okay. Fine items. Let's start. Sort of what I want the default to be. So I don't want. Why does it all have to be centered? Like, why is that in the center by default? I don't quite understand that. Why isn't it up here? What is this? Get rid of all this. Temporary. Where is everything? Yeah, why is it over there? I don't get that. Do I have more CSS? Next CSS? Is it this doing stuff? What if I delete all of this? Yeah, that's way better. Leave it like that. I just need the dark stuff. How do I set the background? Background color like that. Everything else I can get rid of. There we go. Okay. That is better. Now I actually understand what's going on. So, exactly. I want this width to be 100%. There we go. So that's better. And then I want to send in this as well, but in a different div. List container. I need one of these two. Okay, and then I need something for the list container. It'll be similar. Container. Okay, there we go. I don't exactly want it like that though. I want the width. I want it to be to the left, like that. I don't know how to do that. Okay, that's probably really disgusting, but doing it like that anyway. Yeah, that doesn't look very good. That shouldn't be there. Yeah, and the wiring gets inside, so that's not a good idea. Okay, how do I want to do that? Alright, that's fine, actually. So, let me add some style to the button now. Why does it do that? Set the color as well here. Color is like white. It's like that. Maybe it's like that. There we go. Yeah, then it maybe like light gray. Light gray, I think. Like that. There we go. Maybe light gray? Yeah, that's better. Set the color here as well. That doesn't work. Except the background color. Yeah. Okay. This should be dark gray. That's not... Why is dark gray lighter than regular gray? Yeah, okay, whatever. That can be white. So... Yeah, the longer you type it, the more it moves that over. I don't know about that. That's fine. Yeah, there we go. So it is functioning. This is pretty much what I wanted it to do. Similar to the HTMX app that I made. Yeah. HTMX was way better, though. I enjoyed it much more. I'm not a fan of React. Should I even put this on GitHub? Probably not. It's not really very good. And, yeah. I don't know. I'm not going to ever come back to it at all. But that's probably it, then. It's a shorter stream today. Let me see. Yeah, that's pretty good then. So, how's that look? That's a lot of stuff. Yeah, okay, so that'll be the end of the stream. I'm not gonna push this to GitHub. Yeah, so tomorrow, back to Kano. Yeah, so I'll probably start up another challenge. Not gonna be something like this, though. I don't want to use React or whatever. But yeah, you know, if anyone has any ideas on the Discord, in the ideas and feedback section, definitely leave some more ideas for events like this, or challenges, rather. Yeah. VS Code, yes. That'll probably be the next one, is the VS Codium one. I don't know about a week, though. Maybe like 3 streams or something like that would be better. Because I don't necessarily want to use it for a week, but... yes, that'll be the next one, probably. I'll start it in a few days. I gotta think about stuff. But it's gonna be a much higher threshold kind of thing. Because this one, ending in like 4 days or whatever, got the 12,000. So, next one will be more than that. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so that's about it. I'll probably work on Kano a bit off the stream and push some changes later today, like just some cleaning up stuff, not any new features. Okay, yes. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.